The thyroid gland is part of the endocrine system that works alongside the nervous and immune systems to regulate the body's metabolism. This gland secretes hormones that influence metabolic rate by stimulating tissues to produce proteins and by increasing cellular oxygen usage. The thyroid gland is located at the base of your neck. The aorta is a large artery that is part of the circulatory system. Its job is to carry oxygen-rich blood from the left ventricle to other parts of the body in need of this blood. The aorta can be found at the top of the left ventricle. The heart is an organ of the circulatory system that pumps blood throughout the body, which supplies oxygen and other nutrients to the tissues and organs in need and removes carbon dioxide and other waste. The heart is located in the middle of your chest, just behind the left breastbone. The diaphragm is a muscle of the respiratory system found just below the lungs. This large dome-shaped muscle contracts as we breathe. When you inhale, the diaphragm contracts and the chest cavity enlarges. When you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and air leaves the lungs. The larynx is part of the respiratory system and it acts as a protection to the lower airways, helps with respiration, and it plays a key role in sound production. It protects the lower airways by preventing food from passing into them. The larynx is anterior to the neck, but superior to the trachea. The spleen is part of the lymphatic system and it acts as a filter for blood. The spleen collects old or damaged red blood cells and expels them from the body by breaking them down and saving any useful parts in this process. These useful parts include things like iron. The spleen is found on the upper left side of your abdomen. The kidneys are part of the urinary system and they act as filters for the body. They rid the body of any waste and toxic substances. They also return any vitamins, hormones, and vital substances back into the bloodstream. The kidneys can be found below the rib cage on each side of your spine. The colon is part of the digestive system, and its job is to transform ingested food mixed with digestive juices into solid and firm stool so that it can be passed out of the body. The colon circles the abdomen and extends to the anus. The ovaries are the small oval-shaped glands of the female reproductive system. These glands have the functions of secreting hormones, protecting female eggs, and releasing eggs for possible fertilization. The ovaries can be found in your lower abdomen if you are a female.